Assalamu alaikum. This is Yasser Ahmed and you are watching Arabic Voice. And this is Arabic for Beginners course. In this episode, we are going to study the nominal sentence. How to establish, how to form the nominal sentence. In Arabic, we have two types of sentences. The first type is nominal sentence, which start with a noun, not a verb, like al-bayt, the house. And we have the verbal sentence, which start with a verb. In this lesson, we are just studying the nominal sentence. So let's start with some examples. Al-baytu jamilun. The house is beautiful. Al-baytu jamilun. So we should start with al here, al-baytu, and this is, we call it the al-ta'rif or the definite article, which we use to speak about a specific thing or the thing that we already know. So we said before, if you just say baytun, it's like a house, any house, could be any house. But if I said al-baytu, that means I'm referring to a specific house. Just the exact using of the in English. So al-baytu, the house. Al-baytu jamilun, the house is beautiful. Al-masjidu kabirun, the mosque is big. Al-masjidu kabirun. Al-madrasatu qaribatun, the school is close. Al-madrasatu قريبة. السفينة بعيدة. السفينة بعيدة. The ship is far. And as you might notice, if the first word feminine, we should use feminine also for the adjective or for the khabar in Arabic. So as-safinatu is feminine, that's why we say ba'idatun. Al-baytu is masculine, and that's why we said al-baytu jamilun. Al-madrasatu jamilatun. So just to show you the contrast, al-baytu jamilun, al-baytu masculine, that's why we say jamilun without the ta. Al-madrasatu feminine, that's why we use jamilatun. Also we added this extra ta. Al-rajulu tawilun, the man is tall. Al-mar'atu tawilatun, the woman is tall. At-tabibu qasirun, the doctor is short. At-tabibatu qasiratun, the female doctor is short. Al-babu maftuhun, the door is opened. Al-babu maftuhun. An-nafizatu maftuhatun, the window is open. And as you might notice, in Arabic we don't have verb to be in the middle of the nominal sentence, so we understand it without putting it. So we say, as we said, al-baytu jamilun. We don't have is here in the middle, but it's there. So this is how we form the nominal sentence in Arabic. Please write us in the comments below some other examples of nominal sentence, and stay tuned for our next lesson. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.